and behind us is the ancient temple. Did we enjoy here?
Yeah, absolutely.
I love Kashmir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मेरा नाम मुबशिर है, मैं कश्मीर से हूँ और सीन्स कुछ ऐसा है कि मैं अपने यूनिवर्सिटी में सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर गेस्ट एक आ रही है डीएसटी की तरफ से, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। डॉक्टर रुकमनी जी जो कि साइंटिस्ट है, वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ आ रही है। एंड मुझे मेरे टीचर ने, मेरे मेंटर ने बोला है आप आज उनके गाइड बनोगे, उनको आप मानसबल लेक एंड वुलर लेक विच इज़ एशियाज़ फ्रेश वाटर लेक वहाँ ले जाओगे एंड देन यू विल गाइड देम प्रॉपरली और उनको आप कश्मीर के सीन्स दिखाओगे, नॉर्थ कश्मीर के सीन्स दिखाओगे, बांडीपुरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट के सीन्स दिखाओगे। सो बी विद मी इन दिस व्लॉग। वी आर गोइंग टू डॉक्यूमेंट टुडे विजिट टू मानसबल वुलर लेक with a scientist, like a dream come true. I'm going to meet a scientist. I'm going to take her to beautiful destination, to beautiful lakes, Mansbal Lake and Wular Lake, and then we are going to see and document this on YouTube and Facebook. Stay connected, and if you have not liked my Facebook page or YouTube channel, please. आज वो पता नहीं पहली बार बोल रहा हूँ या बहुत सालों के बाद बोल रहा हूँ। Let's go. Let's meet them. They are waiting for me in a cafe. Let's go there. After a little break and after having some food at the restaurant and the cafe, with me is Dr. Rukmani ma'am. She's from, I have already told you guys, DST. She's a scientist and we are going to Mansbal. So, and with me is her family. Your mother, her husband and her two daughters. They are looking energetic now. They have given the gestures.
Okay, very good.
And we are moving towards Mansbal Lake. This is the starting from here. लीजिए। Let's go. Please introduce yourself to the audience.
I am Harini and she's my sister Gayatri. She's studying in class 9 and I'm doing first year in
Big lovely.
Law College, Law University in Tilchi.
Which subject?
Law.
Law.
LLB honors.
Okay, great.
5-year course. I am Gayatri and I'm a 9th grade and my interests are mostly reading and eating.
Oh,
She
great.
loves cooking. She's a self-made chef kind of. She loves cooking, cutting, experimenting in cooking. And
Same pinch. In my apartment, like I'm kind of a good chef. I cook for myself.
See in her house she makes ready-made food apart from Maggi.
Oh, one who cooks Maggi calls himself chef nowadays.
She has learned Kathak.
Kathak?
Now she is learning Bharatanatyam.
Whoa, great. Those are cultural things actually. Let's go. Let's walk to the ancient temple and let's take some snaps.
No, learn blogging from
See how he is.
father.
Exactly.
Start, see, I am telling her, do some blogging on your own field.
Exactly.
Because like,
From
it should come from,
is
she
interested,
says sometimes,
passionate.
many
Apart from
new
studies,
ideas,
he
she
is-
says, it should not be like this, mama, social justice should be like this.
Yeah.
I said, you do blogging then.
Exactly.
Convey your
Messages and ideas and your opinions
opinions,
to
correct.
the world.
Uh,
One of my last video on Facebook got 495k views.
Okay.
That's like 500,000 views. So even then people came to know you.
yeah. And some ideas will be really appreciated and maybe it will become a movement.
Yes.
On. Who knows?
Who knows exactly?
Got
Who knows?
Similar ideas of her. I will join and they will have more interaction and that.
She can open a channel for like cooking if she is a good cook. Start with, and everything starts with zero.
Evening we should have visited this. That means we would have enjoyed enjoyed better.
Yes.
Actually, we came by Sonmarg, no? This was the route.
Yes, this was the route. And this is kind of an evening place and a family place.
yeah,
In
we have
evening,
been-
most nearby families visit here.
Yes.
फोटो सेशन हो गया एंड अभी हम जा रहे हैं एंशिएंट टेम्पल देखने. सीन्स बहुत अच्छे जा रहे हैं. हमारी जो आई कैन से कॉम्बिनेशन और आई कैन से बॉन्डिंग दैट्स गोइंग ग्रेट एंड से नो टू प्लास्टिक इन बिटवीन. लेट्स गो एंड लेट्स मीट देयर in ancient temple, and these are the scenes of Mansbal lake. Let's read this out. Oh shit, this is the about construction and foundations too. This whole area is of Mansbal. The whole area. And the small track, you can go for a track like Sumal, for like half day track, go to that mountain. 10 kilometers away from here. I used to come here in my childhood on bicycle. The cricket bats are made of Kashmiri willow.
Some utensils like basket stands also from this. I saw today in Dargah market also they had stands.
That's made of chinar.
Oh, chinar,
yes.
not this one. Will use wooden furniture only.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Is there any medicinal property for chinar
Oil,
also?
something like that.
Oil.
oil of chinar? No, there is no oil of chinar. I have never heard.
It
Walnut.
must be good masboot wooden. Wooden.
Wooden. Nah, that's very exact. Like Divdor is there, Kayur is there.
Similarly.
Yes. Even I have heard the Divdor and Kayur, and we cut the tree of Divdor and Kayur. The tree gets to know after 100 years it has been cut. Like if I cut a tree of Divdar, in English pines and cypress, those trees, they are gymnosperms, and if we cut them, they get to know after like 100 years they have been cut it. After 100 years they don't get to know. The plant didn't sense that it has been cut it. Exactly. The Dal Lake goats you see, they are made up of the Divdara, exactly. Because they stay longer.
But that is similar to this pine tree is there, no? How do you differentiate the pine tree and the deodar?
Yes, there are a lot of characters, pines and pine tree and deodar. There are like they have different leaves.
But for the decoration, they are making some, no?
They are different. These are willows. These are like hybrid willows, you can say, or like use it microbiology, as you know. We inject some genes to get the desired results.
Okay.
They have made it like that. Yes.
Hi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome.
This was cute. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
This was cute. Tamil Nadu. When I used to be child, this place used to be open. We used to swim here. See the fishes. See the fish. When we used to go inside, fishes used to go inside that.
What's the name of it?
Yaman kya naam garden? Trout fishes. Feed them. They're coming. And behind us is the ancient temple. Did we enjoy here?
Yeah, absolutely.
This is very clean water, and the trout fishes are like awesome. Great. यहाँ नहाना मना है?
मना है, कोई आता है।
हम तो पहले नहाते थे यहाँ पे जब।
दूर की बात वो छोड़ो, आज बंद है, आप आए तो बंद है।
हाँ।
आप निकलेंगे बंद।
हम तो ऊपर से भी चढ़ जाते थे नहाने के लिए।
बंद है, आज ये बंद है।
He was more.
I have even taken many baths in this.
अंदर जाते हैं उसको पकड़ाऊंगा मैं, ठीक है?
कितना गहरा है अंकल, दिखा दे।
वो बोल 5
देखो कितना ये लग रहा है, कितना देखो कितना गया।
ऑलमोस्ट 4 फीट, इसी में 4 फीट है।
ये मान लीजिए और इसकी बाद भी 2 सीन।
8 फीट तो कम से कम
ये तो सेकंड, ये तो वहाँ पे आ गया, इतना गहरा।
सीखने में कम आते
फिर हमने आप रिफ्लेक्शन अभी एंशिएंट टेम्पल देख के आ गए और मैम ने गेस करे लाइक वॉलनट ट्री, चिनार ट्री, पाइनस, साइप्रस। और अभी हम आए लोकल मार्केट देखने के लिए मानसबल का स्मॉल मार्केट बट इट इज़ ब्यूटीफुल लोकल फूड इज़ अवेलेबल। हैव यू ट्राइड द मसाला रोटी ऑफ कश्मीर?
No.
Maybe in afternoon we will try that. That's a good snack, ready to eat food available in Kashmir at every street.
Mulberry also now season.
Yes, this is the season of mulberry.
But
You know,
not the season of apple.
not yet. There will be like small fruit like plum, peach. They will be and cherry. This is the season of cherry. Yes.
Cherry is from which place? Mostly from
Most from like hilly areas, like Shopian is there, Kulgam is there.
So
And
in Pahalgam will we get it? No.
yes, definitely you will get it every road, every corner. Yeah, in Gandrabal also.
Maybe while going we will take some cherries.
Oh, definitely. So, Manasbal घूम लिया हमने पूरा. We have taken rest, water. Now we are moving towards Wular Lake. Everyone, we are like very excited. We are thrilled with joy, happiness, and we are enjoying the trip. It's almost 1 in the afternoon. We will be meeting you in Wular Lake with a new perspective, with a new view, and with new, I guess, living creatures and the field and views and terrains. Let's meet in Wular Lake. And why I'm using English? We have an audience. I guess they understand English much better than Hindi and Urdu. That's why I'm keeping this in a little in English. और थोड़ा बहुत grammar ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. Please compromise on that note. पहुंच गए हम वुलर विंटेज. अंदर चलेंगे और यहाँ से पूरा व्यू वुलर का दिखता है, वुलर लेक का. लेट्स गो. आई गेस वी हैव टू टेक वी हैव टू बाय टिकट्स एंड आई विल बी द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ आवर स्टेट. आई विल मेक द फ्री एंट्रीज टू एवरीवन. Yes. This is not hybrid. This is actually they have maintained it.
No,
Cut-
what is this plant?
This is that cypress.
Cypress only, yeah.
Yes, cypress only.
The lichens, you see the lichens also, which is yellow in color.
Yes.
White lichens.
They're growing or they're
They can destroy the tree.
No, they have actually. This is a community living. Na? They have association.
parasitic, symbiotic.
Symbiotic relationship. Acha, okay. They benefit each other.
Benefit each
I used to call myself parasite on my parents.
other. But this is after you start earning.
Earning, it will be a symbiotic. It will be then going to be a symbiotic relationship. After then, I am a parasite. From upstairs, we'll get the whole view. Tamil is your official mother language?
Official mother, yes.
अभी बात हो रही थी मदर लैंग्वेज पे और मैम ने कहा कि हमारे यहाँ तमिल में भी लोग अब कम सिखा रहे हैं बच्चों को तमिल, उनकी मदर लैंग्वेज. तो जैसे यहाँ हमारे समाज में भी, हमारी सोसाइटी में भी उर्दू इंग्लिश कॉमन हो गया और सिखा रहे हैं एज मदर लैंग्वेज. लाइक आई नो इंग्लिश, I can make mistakes in English. It's not my mother language, it's not my native, but I'm not supposed to make mistakes in Kashmiri language there because that's my mother language, that's my native language. So and we Kashmiris like learn 5 languages from our beginning. Like Kashmiri is there, that's mother, that should be our first priority. Then there's Urdu, Hindi, English and Arabic. They are five languages. So I guess 5 languages are enough, isn't it, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm telling them that it's actually happening in everywhere in the India. That colonial mind. That
Should not be there.
Because of that mindset up now, people they just started neglecting their own
Mother
mother tongue.
tongue.
Even the children they hesitate to learn any subjects in their mother tongue, rather they prefer in English. But they should give first preference to their mother tongue.
Exactly.
At least after class 10,
10th.
they should learn everything in mother tongue.
Mother tongue. We are trying to many officials and many senior personalities, they were trying to get the Kashmiri in the board exams.
The
board exams of the class
Only
10.
through you I came to know that it is written in Urdu, but it should be in Kashmiri.
Yeah, boards. They are written in some boards are written in Kashmiri. Maximum are in English and Urdu. And Urdu is actually like official language for the state. So that's
Official. One of the official.
one of the because India can't have one official language because there are different sections. And even in NEP National Education Policy, they have made mandatory.
Trilingual. That's good to have trilingual or bilingual or trilingual option in each state as an official language also.
Exactly.
But mother tongue should be given.
Given first priority.
Yes. Your thinking develops only in your mother
Mother
tongue, right?
You can think then differently. Exactly.
You can translate in any language. First, your thinking should be there
In your mother
your
language.
understanding and thinking should be there in your mother tongue.
So any comment on the Wular lake?
Wular Lake needs more protection and expansion.
Hmm.
You know, and we can have lot of migratory birds if it is developed into full-fledged biodiversity.
Yes, it can be a great for the research. It can help us in that.
System.
Exactly. Okay. After this, we will maybe go for a local tour. यहाँ पे एक जगह है बानियारी नाम करके, वहाँ पे एक नया sunset point है, तो वहाँ जाएंगे. We will have some snacks in between. Then we will meet there. See you guys. Stay tuned, and I hope you people are enjoying the vlog. And if you have made up to here, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do not forget to hit the like button and share if you like it. वो हमें अभी पता चला है कि ज़लज़ला आया है and it's like very strange. हमें पता भी नहीं चला. ड्राइवर साहब ने हमें बोला. And we are moving towards the downside of Wular Lake now. असल शुम side पे शुम Wular Lake. Upper hum side. I just na I subun kun. Abi sud nur masan batash That is the park. जहाँ पे हम अभी थे ना, there is that park. वहाँ पे. This is the river Jhelum coming. और ये यहाँ से Jhelum river. ये यहाँ से वुलर लेक में join होती है वहाँ से वहाँ पे. और ये पूरा एरिया फिर वुलर लेक. पूरा एरिया है ये बानियारी के नाम से जाना जाता है. और यहाँ पे Jhelum join होती है वुलर लेक के साथ. वो वहाँ पे आगे. वो sunset point पता नहीं कहाँ पे है. वो यहीं पे मैंने देखा सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत सारे फोटोज भी डाल रहे थे उसका. But Wular project is still on. 800 crores का प्रोजेक्ट है. बना रहे बड़ा इसको so that it can hold more water. Let's see in future what will be happen to this. Time gives result answer to everything. Time gives answer to everything. It's a boat. नीचे एक boat है.
Nice place, and after traveling from a long distance from Delhi, I get to see so much greenery, so much beautiful lakes and rivers and streams from the mountains. So this is a new experience for me. First time I'm visiting Kashmir, and I'm very happy about it.
Great.
I love Kashmir. Well, it is my first time in Kashmir. It's first time seeing the ungrown walnuts in the trees also, and first time seeing apricots also. Kashmir is very pretty state, I guess, and I really like the language. The accent is really cool.
How are the people of Kashmir?
They're really pretty actually. They're really nice also. Like really kind. Our hotels cook are really give us the Kashmiri special food. It's really tasty also.
Okay. Will you visit again?
Yeah, sure.
You should. You too. Let's go. This was the bite I took from them. They are little camera shy, so ma'am told me make them camera friendly. Let's go back. We will have lunch somewhere, and then I will go, and they will drop me in the university. They are becoming camera friendly now.
Sponsored Mubashir.
Yes. लंच करने आ गए इन फूड विला. So we had two types of plows. One plow was dry fruit plow, and another one we had chicken plow. Let's get the rating from ma'am.
Full 5 out of 5.
5 out of 4. Like have you
5 star.
have you ever tried Kashmiri pulao before?
No, I have had pulao, variety of pulavs. This is the first time.
And it was
Fantastic.
thank you ma'am. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and stay tuned, stay connected, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel. With this thing, let's end this up. फिर किसी vlog में मिलते हैं, फिर किसी अच्छे दिन पे, and we'll try to document our journey.